How stable is your RTK fixed solution? Really? We are putting the Geodex G60 Pro to the ultimate laboratory grid test. 500 continuous measurements on a single point. No bias, no manual interference, just raw data and Python's analysis to see if it actually holds the 2 cm line. Let's dive into the data.
Stop wasting time on complicated setups. Welcome back to Geodex Lab. Let's make you feel work faster and smarter today. Let's go!
First, we calibrate the G60 Pro in open field. To eliminate the human error, we have secreted the G60 Pro on a stable bipod. In our SurDex App, we have initialized a brand new project and set auto collection mode to exactly 500 points. Every single second, the G60 Pro is capturing a high precision coordinate. Watch how is the accuracy reliable, no observable drift of single node interruption of 500 continuous measurements on a single node point. Now the moment of truth. We explore the data and ran it through the pattern dispersion analysis. Look at this cluster. Each dot represents a measurement, and 99% of them are tightly packed within this 2 cm radius. This isn't just a marketing claim. It's mathematical proof of the G60 Pro expansional stability. If you want result, you can trust the Geodex GNSS receiver.
This will be your tool. Geodex G60 Pro, built for efficient field running, precise, stable, and ready for any challenge. Hit that subscribe button for more deep dive RTK tests and pros running tips. See you in the next one.